1787. I have to meet Mozart to take the second piece of the magic staff.
Mr. Mozart, open the door. You owe me 10 weeks rent. If you don't pay now, you go to prison. The guards are here.
Oh, good. I can finish the symphony.
Open up. Open the door.
I put das mustache. The Emperor's messenger, the Emperor's messenger. Hello, gentlemen. You come to congratulate Mozart?
Congratulate Mozart.
Yes. Mozart is the Emperor's composer.
Pues Mozart is a scoundrel. Owe me 10 weeks rent.
You are insulting the Emperor's composer.
That, me?
Yes, you go to the prison. Gas, you go to the prison and only eat bread and water and drink water.
Let me go! Let me go! Let me go!
Mr. Mozart, the gas, the ego and the last floor. Open the door.
Thank you.
You go immediately.
My friend was a horse with a car.